Alright, so today we see a very interesting reaction with the SPY and the QQQ about to materialize their bottom signals just above their support levels. Alright, and this is very meaningful while we see many other stocks performing very well too. So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at the opportunities that await us and of course, whether we can really trust this movement or not. After all, what could possibly happen if suddenly the market turns bearish again, right? So we're gonna talk about it. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, and here in this channel, we just focus on the technical evidence. All the strategies, every single insight I share here in this channel are based on technical evidence, technical analysis, statistics, price action. All right, there are no gut feelings, no assumptions, no guesswork here. We only pay attention to the charts and work with facts. All right, so this is the Finance Hydra channel for you guys. Welcome to another daily video. Now, as we can see here, SPY is trying to make a bottom signal. Okay, Friday's reaction was quite good. Now we are going up again on the verge of breaking Friday's high, and of course of breaking the 21-day EMA as well. Both key points, the 595 along with the 21-day EMA, are going to act as future resistance levels for us because SPY is right now in bearish territory. Okay, we are below the moving average. We just made a lower high, lower low over here. So right now, it is going to be a very important inflection point for the SPY. By breaking these resistance levels and leaving them behind, well, SPY will have everything to fly again and retest the all-time high again, all right? Now you may ask, but Nathan, what if this reading, what if this bottom signal doesn't materialize? What if SPY fails in breaking these two resistance levels, rejecting the idea of a bullish case over here? If this scenario materializes, SPY could correct a little bit more. However, it still could react and it still could make a bullish reaction as long as we stay above 586. Okay, by maintaining the price above 586, great. There is still hope for a bullish reaction, all right? Nathan, what if we lose 586? Then the next technical support level is 576, $10 below the support level, which is this gap support level, and of course, very close to the weekly 21 EMA, all right? The exponential moving average on the weekly chart over here. So this key point is going to be our next major support level if SPY actually fails in reacting above this key point over here, and if it fails in making a bottom signal right here, right now. If you ask me, the answer to whether we are gonna find a true bottom signal here or not will come very soon. Okay, very soon. All right, maybe tomorrow, maybe in the next few days. This week is gonna be wild, all right, because we have Christmas. So if we're gonna see a real breakout, it feels like it is now or never, especially because right now we see a possible Christmas rally over here. So let's see, it all depends on the direction of the next breakout. If the SPY breaks the 595 along with the 21-day EMA, fantastic. It is going to continue the bullish bias. If the SPY fails in materializing a bottom signal and loses the 586, okay, we are going to continue the bearish sentiment. 576 is going to be our next technical target, period. Very simple situation for the SPY. Now regarding the QQQ, the technicals are a little bit better because QQQ is slightly more bullish than SPY. How so, you may ask? Because we are above the 21-day EMA. SPY's moving average is above its price. QQQ is below right now. So we are not only reacting above a clear support level around the 515, the previous top level, around this purple trend line over here, but we are also finally closing above the 21-day EMA again. So that's a very good signal. Today's reaction looks quite promising. If you ask me, we still have yet to break a few short-term resistance levels like a possible bullish pivot point on the 1-hour chart, because if the QQQ materializes a higher high, higher low on the 1-hour chart, we are gonna turn this we're gonna reverse this bearish sentiment because the QQQ made a lower high, lower low, right? By making a higher high, higher low, we are gonna reverse this bearish sentiment, turning the trend bullish on the 1 hour chart, potentially meaning, and this would mean that this movement over here was a potential pullback, a harmless pullback, while we are still maintaining the uptrend on the daily chart, the medium-term uptrend. Okay, so this movement, although it was quite scary, although many people started to panic over here, maybe it was just another pullback to this triple support area, again, made by 515, made by purple trend line, made by 21-day EMA, and now we are reacting as usual, as it is totally normal of an uptrend. All right, so as it happens on most of the time, why we are in an uptrend. Okay, so this is it. The situation here is very simple. Now, Nathan, what if the QQQ fails in breaking its short-term resistance level and fail in actually triggering a bottom signal above this triple support level? Its next technical support level is around $500, okay? Very close to the previous top level over here from July this year, and maybe we could approach the 21-week EMA as well, which is right now around $500. Therefore, we could easily retest $500 next, and then we'll see if the QQQ is going to react or not. As far as I know, it is too soon to tell. It all depends on the direction of the next breakout. However, I have to tell you guys this, since we are in a crystal clear uptrend, why are we in an uptrend on the daily chart? Because we are making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, as long as we don't see lower highs, lower lows, we're gonna continue the uptrend. Okay, as long as we don't see lower highs, lower lows, the uptrend will prevail. Since we are still in an uptrend, if you ask me, in my humble opinion, odds are that we're gonna continue the bullish sentiment, and we're gonna materialize a bottom signal above this triple support level, triggering another Christmas rally, maybe to the next all-time high. I'm so sorry, maybe to the all-time high, the next resistance level. Okay, because we are following the trend. The trend is your friend. Nathan, what if you are wrong? If we are wrong over here, okay, we're gonna lose a little because the stop loss for any long position near a support level is very tight, okay, while our target is quite far away from the price. So the risk-reward ratio makes a lot of sense in this specific circumstance, and this is how we work here in this channel, right? This is how we work in real life as well, because it all depends not only on the technicals, but on the risk-reward ratio. If the risk-reward ratio makes sense, okay, you can buy or you can sell, it doesn't matter, because in the end, you gotta be profitable in the long term. All right, you gotta be profitable, and the only way of being profitable is having a crystal clear trading strategy, following a good risk management that allows your wins to prevail over your potential losses. Okay, your wins must outweigh your losses consistently, and you can do that trading with using good risk management, trading with a crystal clear strategy. It is very simple, guys. There is no magic formula, there is no magic indicator that is going to give you guys 100% accuracy. For instance, if you ask me, my personal statistics, which I share with you guys on the 5% project, I'm right roughly 70% of the time, okay? The other 30% of the time I lose. However, for every single dollar I risk, I make other $2.09, and that's enough. That's enough. That's how you achieve long-term consistency. Do that for many, many years, and you can certainly become a consistently profitable trader. All right, you can live off trading following a crystal clear strategy that gives you an edge in this market, and of course that is going to help you using the right risk management. If you have no idea of what I'm talking about, you can join the 5% project. The link is in this video's description, the link to my website. Just take a look over there. There you'll find all the statistics regarding the 5% project. You can become a member, and then you have access to my personal trading signals, to the stocks that I have on my personal radar, and then you can trade with me in real life, skin in the game. All right, this is how we work over here. Again, the link to my website is in this video's description. As a bonus, you will get an exclusive ebook written by me, which is going to help you a lot identifying the next major support levels, resistance levels, how to buy, how to sell, how to use the signals in your favor. All right, so just take a look over there. This ebook is totally for free because I offer you guys a free trial. Okay, I show you guys results first, and then only then after showing my service, then I let you decide if you want to join us or not. All right, but it is free to try. You can just take a look at my website, link in the video's description. All right, now regarding Nvidia, guys, this one over here did trigger a buy signal for us at the 5% project last week. All right, right now today we see Nvidia going up more than 3.5%, going up nicely, breaking the 21-day EMA. If you ask me, my personal target is around the all-time high, 149. However, I do understand that there is a resistance level around 146. All right, so we gotta keep our eyes open around this area anyways. Okay, but so far this trade is performing very well. I'm very happy with it. Finally, right, because Nvidia was giving us a very rough time over here, trying to materialize a head and shoulders chart pattern. It was not looking good. However, this reaction was very technical. It did trigger a buy signal. Now, if you ask me, Nvidia is a long. However, if we miss our next major support levels, then Nvidia is going to reject our bullish case over here, like the 132 or maybe even the $130 area again. Either way, the trading plan is on my Telegram channel. Again, link to my website is in this video's description. Regarding Tesla, oh, and by the way, back to Nvidia, I'm so sorry. Back to Nvidia, we just materialized a pullback to the 21-week EMA again. And then last week we saw this Dragonfly Doji, almost like a hammer candlestick pattern. Either way, both technically bullish candlestick patterns, bullish reversal candlestick patterns, and right now this week we are trying to trigger this bullish candle. Fantastic. Nvidia has everything to fly again as long as we stay above our major support levels. Okay, so far the situation is under control, just like Tesla. Tesla did trigger a pullback over here, but right now we are maintaining the price above its most important support level. What a coincidence, right? $414.50. This green line over here, the previous all-time high from November 2021, is now acting as a support level. And there are some people don't believe in technical analysis, right? Well, blame the trader, not the tool. As far as I know, we found a crystal clear support level above the 414, and we are reacting nicely. If we lose the 414, great, it is gonna ruin our plans. It is gonna technically trigger a sharper correction, maybe to the 21-day EMA, because we are still in bullish territory. But if we lose the 414 along with the 21-day EMA, okay, it's done. All right, Tesla is gonna trigger a sharper pullback, and in this case our next technical support level is around $360 over here. Okay, so but so far the situation seems under control as well. Today we see a nice candlestick with a nice shadow below the candlestick's body, another Dragonfly Doji candlestick pattern suggesting a crystal clear bullish reversal. However, it is too soon to tell. If you ask me, we still have yet to break the 21-hour EMA, which is acting as a reliable resistance level for Tesla, short-term wise. So we see descending moving average on the 1-hour chart, while Tesla is getting squeezed against the support level at 414. This is a classic trap zone, aka trap zone. So any breakout to whatever to any direction could represent a very strong movement ahead, all right? So let's see if Tesla will break the 21-hour EMA or the 414 in the next few days. If you ask me, since the trend is bullish, I favor an upwards breakout, but again, who knows, right? Real trading is reactive, it is not predictive. Pro traders do not try to predict the next breakout. They wait for confirmation, even if that sacrifices part of their gains, all right? That's not a problem, because here, since we can't predict the future, it's useless trying to nail the bottom, to nail the top, so we just work with a crystal clear strategy. And regarding AMD, this one already triggered a buy signal to us. I did give to the members of the 5% project to the members of the 5% project a buy signal last week, all right? Last week over here. Now we are triggering our buy signal, suggesting another rally. What's the problem? The problem is that AMD is not truly bullish yet. Okay, we are still in bearish territory. We are still making lower highs, lower lows below the 21-day EMA. So it is a riskier trade, all right? I do understand, I do accept that. However, the risk-reward ratio makes sense, all right? So this is why I do believe AMD could trigger a technical rally over here, basing my ideas on the support level 121, which is a weekly support level, and we see AMD reacting right here, right now, above the 121. We saw on the 1-hour chart a bullish pivot point getting triggered today. Okay, so right now we are above the 21-hour EMA for the first time since the beginning of this month, making a crystal clear bullish pivot point. Now, since we reversed the bearish momentum, okay, we are materializing a bottom signal on the daily chart, which is very close to this weekly support level, which, by the way, on the weekly chart, we could materialize a bullish candle as well, only reinforcing the reading. So for many technical reasons, basing my thoughts and ideas on the 1-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, current price action, yes, AMD is trying to make a bottom signal. Right now, we are supposed to seek higher levels. Again, the entire trading plan is on my Telegram channel. Link to my website is in this video's description. Okay, now Palantir over here looks phenomenal. Because we are in a sideways correction, all right? We are in a sideways trend over here. The most important support level was $71. We made a fantastic reaction above the $71. Now we are on the verge of breaking the all-time high, the resistance level of this congestion, of this possible rectangle chart pattern, right? Above the 21-day EMA, not triggering a bottom signal. Now we are on the verge of making a breakout of the $80. Therefore, this means bullish continuation, okay? Not bearish reversal. Nathan, what if we suddenly turn bearish and we miss the $71 along with the 21-day EMA support? If we lose this double support level on the daily chart, okay, this is gonna convince me that yes, we are gonna technically reverse the bearish sentiment. However, this is not the case. So far, we are looking very good. Not as good as your like and your subscription, because if you are still watching this video and you are not a subscriber, it is too late for you. This channel is for you, my friend. You do like technical analysis, you like studying the market, so join this channel, because we are here every single day talking about the stock market, sharing insights, sharing trading ideas. Therefore, this channel is for you. Subscribe, click the like button, and remember to take a look at my website for more information about our educational project, the 5% project, where I'm going to teach you to become a consistently profitable trader. Of course, I'm going to be here every single day, but this week is special, right? This week we have Christmas. Therefore, tomorrow and Wednesday, I'm not going to record any video here on YouTube, but Thursday and Friday, maybe I'm gonna record something, I don't know yet. However, either way, next year, it is gonna be a very good year. I'm very optimistic regarding next year. So we are gonna work very, very hard to find more opportunities together. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.